G'day, today I'm going to show you how you split screen recordings into parts. And yes, it's very quick, but I'll slow it down enough for you to learn how to easily do it. So g'day, my name's Ralph Mayhew and welcome to Video Prop Converter. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly split a long screen recording that you've made into smaller parts, making it easier to digitally send. So this is perfect if you've given a lecture, you've done some teaching and some instruction, or you've screen recorded a tutorial of some description, and after you finish, you've realized it's long, like too long to send. Now the best option is to split your screen recording into smaller parts, and with Video Prop Converter, it's super easy and it's super fast. We'd love to help you out with future or past videos, so make sure you subscribe, have a look at our catalog, and we'd be so grateful if you would like this tutorial just down below. The video we're using is one I made of me editing a video, and I used the screen recording function on Video Prop Converter, and as you'll see, the results are fantastic. So if you need that functionality from this, Video Prop Converter is the way to go. Now, on the main menu of Video Prop Converter, select Video, and then import your video by dragging it in and dropping it. Once it's imported, go down to the Toolbox submenu, double-click on Split, and all you need to do now is choose how many smaller videos you'd like to split your larger video into. So my video is an hour and a half, so I'm going to choose 15 smaller videos. You'll see the duration of each split video here in the right-hand column. Then simply press Done. Select Use High Quality Engine. Make sure you've got the target folder you want and press Run. Once that's exported, you'll see a subfolder that's named according to your original file name. Open that and you'll see the parts of your video in sequential order. So there's my 15 videos it's split it into. Now let's click on one and make sure it works. That looks really great. I'm really happy with the quality from the screen recorder, including the audio. Now let's look at a different one. Just choose that randomly, make sure that's looking good. That's exactly what we'd hoped to find, and done in a matter of seconds with the click of a couple of buttons. And so that's how you split a screen recording into smaller parts, allowing you to make better use of the long video that you've put so much time and effort into creating. If you found this content useful, please subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions at all, we'd love to chat with you about them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you look after yourself. Until next time, bye.